Somebody need to put me on the safari. Let me go find a lion and attack him. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. If you do not know who I am Maricka Payne, and I am a content creator, beauty, I guess, content creator on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, everything, you name it, and I'm there. So anyway, today I'm going to be doing a try on haul with some Zeelol glasses. They do prescription glasses and also just regular frames if you want to buy the frames. So I'm going to be trying some of these on for you guys today. Thank you, Zeelol, so much for sponsoring this video today. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started in these try-ons. Okay, so first things first, when I got these glasses, I was in love. I mean, in love with the glasses. They were so pretty, so beautiful. They were just great. They also came with a cloth to wipe the glasses as well. So each pair, they sent me 6. They all came with a cloth. Along with the cloth, these are what the pouches ended up looking like. So each pouch has a drawstring, of course, on it, and then it has the their name, Zeelol, and this is actually with, I guess I'm assuming, a collaboration with Klarna for them. But yeah, so each pair has the drawstring there, and you can just pull it and keep your glasses all nice and handy there. It's nice that they sent these because you don't have to worry about finding a case for them. I always feel like I want to find cute glasses cases, and sometimes I might lose them, but these I can just kind of take with me, and I can just, I guess, kind of throw them in my purse if I want to, or just hang them up if I want to on something. So it's pretty cool that they actually did give the case to hold the glasses in there. Something else cool that they actually sent me in the box, and at first I did not know what it was, I'm gonna be honest. And the thing is, I've worn glasses basically my entire life. I've worn glasses. I've always had glasses, and then I ended up moving to contacts, but I still have glasses, you know, every now and then. So one of the things that they had sent me was, I think it's called a pupillary. I'm not a doctor, just saying. But they sent me a pupillary distance, I think, ruler. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, pupillary distance ruler, and you can use it to, I guess, check. Look at that. It's looking goofy, but you can use it, of course, if you want to check your eyes, I think. Don't quote me on what that means, but I'm trying. But anyway, so yeah, they did send that, I guess, to if you would like to use it, you can check that. But yeah, so it was pretty cool. They also sent me a discount code or discount card inside of the box as well. So I got the glasses, the discount card, the pupillary distance ruler, and of course some cleaners so that I can clean the glasses if I need to. So I'm actually going to give you guys a quick run through of what the website looks like. I think the website is pretty cool. For the most part, you can go on there and you can actually check out the different types of glasses that they have. They have a try-on that you can do as well. So I'm going to take a second to kind of show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, so here is the Zeelol website, and as you can see, they have different categories that you can choose from men, women, children, sunglasses. Additionally, what's kind of in trend right now or in fashion, and also any type of discounts or sales that they have going on, and as well as their designer collection, which is pretty cool. Underneath you also see the AR try on, so you can do this live or you can upload a photo. I chose to upload a photo of mine to see what the glasses would look like, and this is what they look like once you try them on. It's a pretty cool feature and something that you can try before you buy the glasses. Right under the try on, there is an inspire me section, and if you click on the view more, it shows you some Zeelol originals. And these are some pretty cool glasses too. I just took a look at some of these and they were absolutely gorgeous. The ones that they sent me were awesome and cool, but these right here are awesome. They show the best sellers, their premium collection, and then as well as posting some people that have already tried on the glasses and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. So the first pair that I'm going to try on is Cascada. Okay, so Cascada is given vibes, okay? They're like a greenish and beige color marble, and they're so pretty. I love these. I feel like if I'm going for a super cat eye effect, then these are going to be the ones that I am wearing. So shout out to Cascada. Next pair that I'm trying on are Jeffree. Aren't Jeffree so cute? Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. Like, look at them. Look at Jeffree. Jeffree's so cute. Like, y'all can't tell me that Jeffree is not giving me the vibes. Like, so yeah, so these are Jeffree. These are probably my favorite because they're just so cute and so big. So yeah, so Jeffree is looking really nice. So in here are the sides. The side of the glasses has like a little design on it. But yes, Jeffree is giving vibes. And remember, these glasses, you can get them in prescription too. The ones that I'm currently wearing are just the frames with the lens. No prescription, but yeah, you can get them in the prescription if you want to. So these next pair of glasses I'm getting ready to try on are given Arthur. If you don't know who Arthur is, let me show you. Yeah, wait till you see him. Boom. Aren't they so cute though? Aren't they just adorable? So these are the name Calhoun, and they are so cute too. These are probably one of my favorite pair too. They have the leopard print with the white outline, as you can see, and then the side of the glasses is a leopard print as well. But yes, Calhoun. Somebody needs to put me on the safari. Let me go find a lion and a tiger. So this next pair that I'm getting ready to try on is my favorite. I've said all of them are my favorite, but this one is really my favorite because these are Doris, okay? And Doris is giving me all types of Sally Jesse Raphael. You're gonna see why. Doris. Oh my gosh, I love Doris. Oh, so cute. Oh, so classy. I just need a bob. Like, I need to get a bob and just throw the bob on with this. Next pair. I'm gonna be feeling, dang, my hair is not doing right. Okay, they ruining my flow for the glasses, okay? They ruining my flow. The next pair is giving me how Stella got her groove back, okay? I'm just telling y'all, these are how these glasses are making me feel. Every time I put a pair on, I feel like I'm a whole different person than who I was before. So let me tell y'all who I'm gonna be today. I'm gonna be Stella, and here are my Winstons. I'm sorry, y'all. These glasses are giving me life. Like, y'all don't understand. But anyway, so these are my how Stella got her groove back Winston glasses, okay? Ain't they adorable? Okay, and finally, the last pair of glasses that we could try on, okay? And these are giving me the perfect Friday vibes, the 90s vibes. Friday as in Felicia Friday, okay? So, let's try on the Felicias. Ooh. They're not giving Felicia, but they're giving Felicia at the same time, okay? These are the Felicia glasses, and oh so cute. These are so classy. I love them. I feel like I could sit at a desk and wear these. Like, these are my desk glasses. I'm gonna be typing on my computer. I'm gonna be writing in my notepad. I'm gonna be doing everything with these glasses. Let me go to the store and get me some pens and some notepads and some staplers and all types of stuff so I can sit under my desk and wear these glasses, okay? Now I'm gonna do a quick run through of all of the glasses that I try on, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so that concludes my glasses try on haul. So I am going to leave it in my description box below so that you guys can go to the website and check out all the different glasses that they do have. These are just some, but they have a huge collection of glasses. I'll also leave a discount code down at the bottom for you guys to get a little discount on your glasses if you want to buy some. so that you guys can have that. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Like I said, these were some really cute glasses, and I'm so happy that Zeelol had the chance to, you know, connect with me so that we could make this video and partner on these. So anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It's much appreciated, and I love you so much. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. video. If you please would give me a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.